Okay. So my order is in. I've been waiting on these. They're finally here. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing because it's super late and I'm super duper tired. I'm super exhausted. I'm just depleted of every possible form of energy. So this is going to be a quick unboxing with me. Oh my god. Wow. We're already off to a great start. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. These are just freaking cute. Wow. I mean, yeah, we're definitely off to a good start. Wow. Freaking wow. So pardon me because it's a mess in here right now. There's a lot going on. I'm working on a couple things at the same damn time. So just bear with me. I'm gonna try to just get this done as quick as possible. And then I'll go into more details later. So already starting off with the Santa bags. Super duper cute. I'm just gonna open one really fast so you guys can see what is in here. I'm not gonna lie, like seeing these online and in person, the difference is huge. Yeah. Wow, these are freaking adorable. God, I love this one. This is definitely my favorite. Definitely my favorite. Granted, this one was cute too. Okay, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, the red one's my favorite. For sure. Yeah, my craft source, you guys definitely did that. No cap. So, yeah. Those are the Santa bags thus far. Super duper cute. I got 2 of them with my order. And this is the matte laminate UV. I honestly haven't figured out exactly what this is yet, but don't worry, we'll figure it out together. So that's that. And then that's that. And then ooh, cute. I love when I open it and it's just like beautiful colors already just like protruding through the sides, just giving me like a sneak peek. So let's get in this one. Sometimes you just have to do that to get, get things going. Okay, so man, this one is hard to get off. Okay, and now it's just gonna bust right open. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this is beautiful. How freaking cute. Wow. Wow, I can't. These colors are too freaking cute. I wasn't ready. No, I wasn't ready. Wow. So cute. I want to say this was like a color pack that I selected. And let's just say I love it. Because I do. Like, oh my god. I love it so much. Wow. Oh, I love it. And this is HTV. So this is going on some form of fabric that I just want to like explore on. And then I want to say this is another color pack. But let's see. This one is a little bit more tightly packed. So I might have to just slice it. I'm going to try to slice it. Okay, whatever I'm doing, it's not smart. I could tell you that much. Oh, I see why. Okay. So there's like a blue just tucked in here. Let's see. Oh, well, let me try to capture this. Open it at least. Okay, so now you just grab this and just twist it the opposite way. That way it kind of loosens up, and I could just like pull it out. Okay. Wow, this blue is so beautiful. Oh my god. Such a beautiful blue. And I believe this is the foil. Wow, I love it. Very, very cute. I'm not gonna lie, this is so fresh. And then I'll try to just pull this out. Okay. And then, okay, so now I could try to, well actually I'm gonna do the same thing. Just grab something in the middle. Grab something in the middle. Righty tighty. And once you do that, kind of like loosens up the bag or whatever, the vinyl, and then it's easy to come out. That's how I do that. And wow. Wow. So I want to say this was a neon color pack, and the colors are so vibrant. Wow. I love it so much. Very vibrant, very cute, so much fun. Wow. I'm happy with this color choice. I am just so excited to make so many just like fun stuff. And then this was the foil. I want to say this is HTV, but I'm not sure. I have to figure this one out. But then this is the glitter blue. So cute. I just love it. So that was the first package. And let me just go over the package slips. So I have I got 2 free Santa sack. I got a 10-pack matte UV laminate, which was the first item, and then the Scissor Easy Weed fluorescent color pack, which I believe is this, and then the Scissor Metal Silver, which is a 20 by 12, which is this, and then we have the Tape Technologies glitters, and that's the 130 blue. That's this one right here. Very cute. And then, last but not least, we have, hold on, so was that it? Yeah, the holographic color pack, which is this one. So this is a holographic color pack, the one with all the beautiful like holographic colors, and then this one is the fluorescent color pack. So yeah, absolutely love. I'll go into more details in like other videos, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this order. Perfect. I love it.